What's something people don't know about free credit reports in 2025? Finance Plus Investment. Welcome to Finance Plus Investment, the channel dedicated to helping you make smart money moves and crush your financial goals. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's absolutely crucial for your financial well-being, getting your free credit reports. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, why is this such a big deal? Well, my friends, monitoring your credit report is like having a financial security guard on duty 24/7. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay ahead of the game and protect yourself from potential issues. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. The first and most important resource you need to know about is annualcreditreport.com. This website is authorized by federal law, and it's your one-stop shop for accessing your free credit reports from the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Now here's a pro tip. Don't feel like you need to pull all three reports at once. Instead, I recommend spacing them out every 4 months. This way you're essentially getting a fresh look at your credit throughout the year, increasing your chances of catching any discrepancies early on. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your credit, staying informed is absolutely key. So make it a habit to visit annualcreditreport.com regularly and stay on top of your financial game. Next up, we have CreditWise from Capital One. Now, you don't need to be a Capital One customer to take advantage of this awesome tool. CreditWise gives you access to your free TransUnion credit report whenever you need it. But wait, there's more. CreditWise goes the extra mile by sending you email alerts whenever there are any changes to your TransUnion credit report. This could be anything from recent inquiries and new accounts to more serious issues like delinquent accounts or potential fraud. Having this kind of real-time monitoring can be a game changer because it allows you to react quickly and address any issues before they escalate. So, even if you're not a Capital One cardholder, I highly recommend checking out CreditWise. Now let's talk about Experian. They offer a fantastic service that gives you access to your free Experian credit report every 30 days. That's right, every single month. All you need to do is create an account, and you're good to go. One of the things I love about Experian's service is their credit monitoring feature. You'll receive notifications whenever there are any significant changes to your Experian report, such as new inquiries, new accounts, fraud alerts, or updates to your personal information. And if you do happen to spot any inaccuracies on your report, Experian makes it super easy to dispute them online. Their dispute center allows you to submit and track your disputes all in one place. Last but not least, we have myEquifax. With myEquifax, you can now snag 2 free Equifax credit reports per year. Simply create an account, and you're ready to access your reports. But here's the kicker. If you sign up for their Equifax Core Credit Service, you can unlock the power of monthly Equifax credit report updates. That's right, you can keep a close eye on your Equifax report all year round. Having this level of access to your credit information is invaluable because it allows you to stay informed and in control of your financial well-being. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Graham, if I check my credit report too often, will it hurt my credit score? The answer is a resounding no. Checking your own credit report is considered a soft inquiry, which has absolutely zero impact on your credit score. It's like window shopping for credit. You're simply taking a peek at your own information, and it won't raise any red flags with lenders. So, feel free to check your credit report as often as you like without worrying about any negative consequences. So there you have it, your comprehensive guide to getting free credit reports in 2025. Remember, your credit is a valuable asset, and staying informed is crucial for protecting your financial well-being. By taking advantage of these free resources and making it a habit to check your credit reports regularly, you'll be well on your way to building a brighter financial future. Don't wait until it's too late. Take control of your credit today. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more money smart tips and tricks.